All right, guys, we did it. we went ahead and did it. I'm going to show you what we got going on in the bar. First, I got to show you the blackboard. Here's the specials today. Of course, not a special, but an everyday special. We have the ribeye or the filet mignon steak dinner with 2 sides, only $9.99 every day. Then we also have a new item on the menu. It's a French dip hoagie. Actually using the same ribeye, but thinly sliced. And it's only $3.99. That comes with melted provolone cheese. And you dip it in that au jus. Delicious. And right now we're doing 49 peso local beers with a meal purchase here at Papi's Bar and Chill. So those are our specials of the day. We got us a new chalkboard out here promoting some of the good food items here. And looky here what we've done in the bar, guys. I know you've had many comments saying, why did you leave that Johnny Walker up there on the top? Well, you know what? We got the box up here now. If the people that stole the Johnny Walker want the box for it, it's here. I dare them to come try to take it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
They might want the box.
Like a 3 jacket.
Yeah, they'll need a couple more, a bag or 2 to put those in their pocket. But anyway, guys, looky here. We put the alcohol where it belongs, behind the bar. What do you think about it, Keith?
I think the soup I had was delicious.
Keith tried the chicken tinola for the first time. Mercy recommended that he try chicken tinola, our favorite soup of the Philippines.
I think
Yeah, and
I love it.
what do you like about it?
I just like the way it all blends together. It's I got mine extra spicy.
Yeah, did you go ahead and chop those peppers up like I told you?
Yeah.
And that's enough. It's not too spicy though, right? I hear you
Also-
sniffling a little bit.
I also like the cabbage soup.
Yeah, cabbage stew we do here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was good too.
We have
Yeah.
chicken tinola today.
We also did, yeah. We also ate chicken. We eat that about 3 times a week. I think that's what keeps us so good looking.
Yeah.
That the secret is chicken tinola.
I need all the help I can get.
Keep eating it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that chicken tinola, man, that's a secret recipe here. I like the ginger and the lemongrass in there, man. That's what gives it that Asian flair. It's almost like chicken soup, but you get the whole pieces of chicken in there. You got to peel it and eat it.
I like this.
That's what gives it the flavor.
Chayote.
Yeah, chayote squash, yeah.
I love it.
Chayote squash in there. Some restaurants put green papaya in theirs. We use the chayote in ours. Green papaya is also good. I've had that way too.
Yes.
But here's our final product, guys. This is what we've done. We've purchased some wood racks, mounted them on the inside of the bar where they belong, right? And you know what? We intended the whole time to do this, just never got around to it. A little late with the Johnny Walker. Yeah, the Johnny Walker theft. We should have done it a while back. And I know the next thing everybody's going to say is, you got to light those up. You can't see it. It's dark. And yes, we are. I've got some LED lights coming to back those up with some lighting, and that'll look really cool. But yeah, we did that today, or last couple days. We've been mounting these boxes up on the back of the bar. Got all of our liquor behind here now. If you steal a bottle from the top now, it's going to be like turpentine or something in there instead. It's not going to be whiskey. I think we put iced tea in some of them.
Laxative.
Yeah, or laxative, Mercy said. Put some laxative in there. Hey guys, I was sitting here with Keith, and he just finished his chicken tinola. And he was telling me he has a YouTube channel. I didn't even know. He's been here forever. Didn't even know he had a YouTube channel. And I want everybody to go out to Keith's channel, check it out. Right there. I think it'll focus in. There we go. And we would like to see if everybody can get Keith right here up to 1,000 subscribers. He's at what? 491 subscribers. Keith said if we can get him up to 1,000 subscribers in a week, he'll stay here at Drake for another 6 months.
In 24 hours. Come on.
24
we can
hours.
Do it. 24 hours.
All right, in 24
so he's gonna
hours.
stay here 6 months more.
Yeah, there we go. So 24 hours, guys. Let's get him 500 more subscribers. Get him up a little more than 500, and get him up to the 1,000 subscriber mark, so we
Come
can
on.
stay here at the Drake another 6 months.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Hey guys, the time has come. We are going to start the rooftop soon. I have me a couple of guys here giving me some quotes. Got an architect who also does construction, and he is going to plan out our rooftop. We've decided to put a roof over everything, so it will shade you and protect you when it rains. So yeah, it is getting ready to happen, guys. Got a nice breeze up here always. We're actually going to get two different quotes today. I'm going to do an option to roof half of it and leave the golf course area, the mini golf, open. And I'm going to do another quote to just roof over everything. And we got to figure out how we're going to keep this volcano open air. We don't want to roof up to the volcano, so it'll probably just come out at like an L shape here and leave the volcano exposed. But we'll roof everything else, possibly get a quote, see what it would cost to roof the entire rooftop here. Of course, it's going to have insulated pan roof, so it's not going to be hot, and there's always a breeze here, and we don't want to block any of that air. Also got a concern here on this corner. Our bathrooms are probably going to be right where this gentleman's standing, and that will block that water tank when we build that, and we'll also block a lot of the sound from this Avalon resort, because I'm sure they're not going to be happy with the live music. Maybe that'll just block some of the sound going over there, and also might build a small wall here and soundproof it, because last thing we want to do is upset our neighbors. They're probably going to be upset anyway, but oh well. Shouldn't have built your place behind the Drake. So yeah, we'll probably do some kind of a wall here, maybe from this Savannah side here all the way down, possibly to the end of that, to where the bathrooms start, and that'll block any kind of, we'll soundproof the wall. It'll block everything here, and we'll leave the back end open so our breeze continues to come through somewhat under the roof line. Probably gonna be about a 12-foot tall roof, similar to what you see here, but not such a pitch where it comes down to nothing at the end. So that's our idea. Similar to this roof that's existing, this little overhang here, but insulated. We'd insulate panels in here, stop this heat from the sun affecting everyone. But it's so breezy up here, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Sit up on the rooftop, have a meal, play a little miniature golf, listen to some live music. Other events we'll plan up here as well. Yeah, this is it. Stage one. Getting some companies out here giving us some prices. We're gonna also consider walling this side in on the back here, all the way along the Red Planet, so we don't have to look at these guys next door. Plus it'll dampen some of the noise from the band for their customers or their guests by doing that right here. So we're going to get them to give me a price, what it would cost to just enclose this corner, leave the back side open right here for the airflow, because there's nothing behind us. But we'll bring this up. That'll take away from everybody having to look at this Red Planet building, and put a wall all the way to the back corner here. And then the sound will project this way and hopefully not disturb these folks too much on that side. Same over here. Just wall this in up to the roof line edge, all the way to the back corner. so these folks don't get full blast live music going on. And we will be doing some live music up here, building a stage where these gentlemen are standing, possibly in that corner. I'm not sure yet, but this looks like it might be the best option to put a stage center stage. Looks like it's made for it already, but who knows? We'll see when it all starts coming together. But yeah, putting a roof over here will be the thing to do. Keep everybody shaded and still keep that breeze flow. We get a nice breeze coming from the front here always. It's a little overcast right now, so it's not that hot up here. Of course, we'll put some ceiling fans throughout, keep everybody cool. If it's raining, no problem. And if you're playing golf over here, no problem in the rain or bad weather as well, or the heat. But we'll see how it goes. That's the first step. Let's get a roof on here so we can do the rest of it without burning up from this Philippine sun. Keep it nice and cool on the rooftop. There, that sun came out. So this is 500 square meters up here on this rooftop. Very large space for people, entertainment. Of course, we got to put some CRs up here, bar, tables and chairs, maybe a pool table. We'll think about that. There's plenty of space for it though. And maybe do some cornhole up here. We got plenty of room. We'd have some cornhole tournaments here on the rooftop. So many options. Putting different things up here, people, to entertain you folks when you come to visit us here at the Drake. And of course, our food from the restaurant will be offered up here as well. Hadn't decided yet. We're gonna have a dumbwaiter to elevate the food up here, or are we gonna have some waiters? I don't want to say dumb waiters, but some waiters with some strong legs to truck it up here. We haven't decided on that yet. We'll see what a dumb waiter would cost us to put in right off the back by the kitchen. Probably a smart idea. Get the food up here without anybody dropping anything, as well getting it up here hot as possible. Build a chute off the back here, right over the kitchen. Here's our kitchen vents coming up over the side here anyway. And right below there's the kitchen, so I could easily do like a food elevator, dumbwaiter type thing to push a button, have the food brought up right behind the bar. If I were to build a bar right here, that would be where the food comes out, and boom, you got your food quickly right down here. You'd have to build some kind of structure similar to these ventilation systems, but bigger, and get that food up to the rooftop that way. But really, manpower is the easiest way to do it. Give me about 4 guys, strong legs, or if they want to get strong legs, they can come work here. Just bring that food up. Might be the most economical option. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching our videos. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Yeah.